This is an example of a survey spectrum taken from a pure gold sample. When you measure a material such as gold, a sequence of peaks are present in the data, and these represent fingerprint of gold. We can identify these using the element library, which provides us with a list of transitions that are possible. So for a given energy, so when I click on a peak such as this, the scroll list scrolls to show that there's potential lines at the energy at which the cursor was clicked. So if I click here, I can see an AU 4D representing a gold 4D peak, and when I select it, a set of lines are then placed over the data so that I can see all related transitions and therefore peaks that will appear in a spectrum due to gold. If I look at the periodic table, you can see here that the gold button has been depressed. If I untick it, the lines go away. So this gives you an opportunity to test the types of transitions that you see in a spectrum against the element library. So for example, if I wondered whether this was silver, I can put up the silver lines and I can see nothing here, and so I conclude from that there's no silver. However, when I select gold, you can see how they line up. The fact that no line appears here is because this is a gold Auger line that is not actually in the element library. So in this scroll list here, there's no reference to this small Auger peak, hence it doesn't appear. But all of these other lines have been highlighted and marked with lines that are of length proportional to the relative sensitivity factors that have been entered associated with these transitions.